All right, we're gonna get things started in a second here. I'm just getting everything going on my end. Real quick, throw in the chat if you can hear me or not. Can you hear me? Just let me know. I'm in a money making mood today. Let's get this money. Let's get this money, boy. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Yeah, just let me know in the chat. Type in the chat for me if you can hear me. All right, perfect. All right, so remember, I'll try to go live with y'all almost every single day, at least maybe 4 days out the week. Um, I heard that I have a bit of a lag, like a 20-second lag. I'm working on that, so I will be telling y'all things a lot like more advanced in time. Until I get that fixed, likely I'll have to maybe switch to my MacBook. I'm on what is this, like a Dell laptop right now, so I have to switch that. But for now, I'm going to just let y'all know ahead of time what I'm looking at, what's going on, what I'm expecting. And of course, I will be letting you know my entries, exits, and stuff like that, right? But it is a little lag on it, so just be ready if you are, trading with me. Just be ready for that, right? This isn't financial advice again. This is just for entertainment purposes. I do tend to trade a bit more aggressively than I would per se, like for like my Discord, right? So Discord, I'm a lot more hands-on as far as careful entries. Here I like to test entries out a lot more. So on the Discord, I'm a lot more precise, right? But this is free. This is for entertainment purposes. I try to get it right as best as I can on this live stream. But again, just remember that I am a lot more aggressive on the live streams, okay? Let's see. If you have any tickers that you'd like me to look at as well, please throw them in the chat and I'll be sure to give them a look and tell you what I see, all right? As of now, I am leaning slightly. I'll tell you this much. I'm looking to buy the dips until we really get some type of major bearish momentum, right? I have the tech flow pulled up here. Tech flow engine pulled up top right. That is what I've been using for the previous 3-4 years to give me intraday direction. All right. So as long as that aligns with what I'm looking at, which I'm looking to buy dips, it's saying tech buying is aggressive. So that aligns with what I've been, with my thesis, right? With my bias, so to speak. So if that begins to change, tech engine flow begins to change, and I will be looking to shift my thesis, my bias to shorting pops, selling pops, and not buying dips. Okay. So with that being said, let's see what we get. I'm also trading multiple accounts. So you'll be seeing me flip through accounts as I go, right? So trading quite a bit of accounts, also trading on my phone as well. But I try to start off showing y'all the accounts I'm trading on the actual laptop, on the desktop, right? So all right, we're getting that push. I like to see if we can hold above the 300 level. If we can hold above 300, then I'll be looking to target those pre-market highs. After our highs, 315, even the 340 area, 320 through the 340 area, up into that this top pivot point here, right? So we can hold above here, then I'll be looking to take a long, likely to look to see if we can target here or buy any dips, any pullbacks. If we close above here, I'll buy any dips down here for a push back into this area or even higher. All right, so that's the game plan. All right, I'm gonna start
order filled.
off. Heavier pullback than I wanted coming out of that, but would have rather bought on this pullback. But no worries. See what we get. Still looking to target those highs. Again, I am long.
Order filled.
Add to the position. Gonna be looking to scalp this position if I can get a move in my direction. Looking for a clean push out of this direction here.
Order filled.
Taking profit. Let's go. Told you, I'm coming for it, man. I'm looking to secure the bag today. Every day, but especially today, right? I'm in a really good mood. Feel really refreshed, and looking just to kill it today. All right, so first trade is definitely a win. All right, currently cash, y'all. I am cash. I am no longer long. We still have some more room to go in the tank, right? We haven't quite tapped that pivot level yet, but I'm going to be looking to buy dips. I've already caught this first initial push. We could always pull back. And if we do pull back, then I'll look to capture another long and look for a ride up until we can get into this 333, even 340-ish area, okay? So we got about 30 points of room to go. If you're still holding, you're still good, but I'm looking to secure the gains, right? Because you never know what could happen. We could always get caught and then target these pre-market lows, right? So back at this other level at the 210, 211 area, right? So just currently what I'm looking at. Nice win so far, though. Nice win so far. I already hit my daily goal for that account. I'm going to actually switch over to my next account and just keep things rolling, keep things going like that, right? So that's how I like to play it. All right, you can see we are pulling back here. All right, let's see what we got across the board here. So not sure if y'all are trading crypto or whatever, but I would definitely keep an eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is to hold at these levels, I would say if it holds below the 86,000, 86K, then it could possibly look like we could go tap that 80, 83, 80 level, maybe even further down, right? I got another level at the 77, 76. Okay, so just be aware of that. Google looks like it could also pull back down to its daily pivot level at around 307. So watch Google today. Watch where it closes. If it closes below 315, I may be likely to swing puts on Google, aiming for that gap fill, right? We got a gap at the 310. So, I mean, we could get there today. We could definitely get there today, depending on market sentiment. So watch Google. I mean, even a close below the 315, below that pre-market low there would not be good for Google, right? We could definitely start to make our way lower. All right, so just keep an eye on Google. Let's see. Nvidia making nice moves right now. So if Nvidia really starts to just hold above the 176, then we could really see a nice market push across the board. I do believe Amazon flagging here. See if Amazon can get back above that 236 level. We can see a nice push on Amazon as well. Watch out for Apple as well if we begin to consolidate here over the next few days. Looks like it's kind of forming a flag, big flag on the daily, right? So new discovery zone. We could definitely see new highs on Apple. So just keep eyes on that as well, all right? So far, a nice rejection here on NQ off of that area here. Again, we don't have to, tap into this level right now. We could just pull back down to this previous pivot level here, and it looks like that's kind of what's happening, but I'm not interested in shorting this right now. Just kind of want to see. I think I'm gonna wait and see the range that we print. See if we have any news out today. Let's see, Monday. So we do have news at 10 a.m. chat. Just being patient, being patient. We got news coming out in about 30 seconds. And also, we have news at 10 a.m. Red Folder event at 10 a.m. Eastern. So just being patient right now. Looks like they're buying the dip as of now. Not looking to place any trades as of right now. Just being patient. Just being patient. Just being patient, all right? Bear with me. Because as of right now, we're just chopping. We ain't doing nothing. We did go and tap that pre-market low that I was talking about, right? So now maybe we go and we finish off and we take out these pre-market highs. Okay, that's what I'm looking at right now. We tapped this low I mentioned. I would have preferred a sweep below, but I mean, equal low, I'll take that as well. We tapped the level that I mentioned. Now, if we can just consolidate here and maybe get a close above the 320 area, then we can possibly go on and tag that 340 area. All right, even maybe a nice close above the 300 level, then we can likely go tap that previous wick at the 320s and maybe even higher. Okay. Looks like we may go for it here. So I think I'm gonna take an entry long if we can close above the 310 area, 300 area. Looks like they're trying to push it. Still got some room in the tank. They may just chop it until the news comes out as well, right? So looks like we're rejecting. Could be a double top here, so I think I'm gonna hold off on longs for now, unless we can get a close above 320. Close above 320, I'll long it. I'll buy the dips if we close above the 320. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be patient until 10 a.m. likely. All right. Unless we just get some clear direction right now, we're just chopping. We're just chopping in this range. We're getting nothing for sure. Let's see. Let's see. Didn't quite get the close that I wanted. We could definitely still go and tap that level, right? I mean, we closed above the 300, but I really wanted more of a close above the 320. Because, this could have always just pulled back and brought us back into the chop, right? So, I mean, 300 thesis was correct, but just not what I was looking for. Not looking to rush any positions here. We keep getting kind of caught up at the 330, this area here, at the 320, 330 area. So I want to see a nice close at that level. And then I'll look to long it or buy dips on the longs. But as of right now, I'm just chilling. Not looking to rush anything. We got plenty of time in the day. I already caught a nice banger. So not looking to rush anything. Keep watch on Meta as well. Meta's looking great for possible swings. Kind of flagging here. We can continue the flag on Meta. I would not be surprised if Meta continues to rally. Looks like we've broken out of the descending channel here on Meta. No, it's a little bit more on the expensive side, but hey, the setup is nice. The setup is nice. Setup is definitely looking nice here on Meta. So, hold above the 635 on the daily. I believe we can definitely see higher highs here, especially if we can close above that 649 area on the daily, above the previous day high. We can definitely get things rolling on Meta. All right, so just keep eyes on Meta. All right. getting that push. Getting that push. Still haven't tapped this into this pivot level yet, right? So that's the target. Would love to see a pullback and then a go, but hey, it could always just push right through. If it does, I'll just be looking to buy the dip, right? Got a nice close. Got news in 5 minutes. Want to see a pullback into the 330 area. Now we could just stay here at this pivot level and create a new base and just keep pushing higher, right? That's always a possibility. Already pushing about 15 points here, so that's what it's looking like. If that's the case, we'll just be patient. We'll just wait for the setup to take place. All right. Still got more room in the tank to get up to this next pivot level here. This would be what I would be targeting. So if we can hold above here, any pullbacks into the pivot or even into that 330 level, I buy for a nice push up, Overall today, if we can hold above this pivot level, I'll be targeting this next level or at least halfway, right? So we'll see what happens. Dippy. See what we get. We ain't missing nothing. Trust me. This is actually good. So we want to see. You want to see nice bullish momentum. Now all that we're looking for next is to just hold above this level, or to pull back and hold this level, and start to form a flag base above the pivot. Right? We can form a flag base above the pivot, hold above the pivot. Then we can definitely look to get halfway marker or even to the next pivot level. Right? So that's what we want to see. All right, we pull back and close below that 330 level. I won't be interested in longs. Maybe at the 300 level, I'll look to buy, dip buy if we can hold there. But I prefer to get a first entry here, and if we pull back, I'll just average in. That's what I'll do, right? So I want to get a pullback before I try these longs. Give me a pullback. Give me a nice pullback. Let's check the VIX. VIX is dumping. VIX has a nice gap. Looks like it's going for the gap fill here on VIX down. So VIX is going down. Market tends to go up, but we'll see how that thesis works out. All right. So we're getting a nice pull. We do have news in a minute, 2 minutes. So kind of tricky, but I'm willing to take the risk, right? This is going to be extra risky with news coming in. Know your prop, right? If you trade on a prop firm, like especially TPT, they don't allow you to trade during red folder events, especially. Apex will, right? So just know your prop, know the rules. I hate for y'all to get in with me and then the prop you're using won't let you trade during this news. So the best thing to do would be to wait a minute after 10 a.m. if you don't know what they allow, okay? We did get a pull there. It wasn't really what I wanted, so I'm just gonna be patient and see if we get the real pull that I want. I want a little bit more. $320s. Looking for a pull into the 320s. 320s, 330s. I'll average in if we tap into 300s, okay? Come on. Give me a pull. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. It's looking like it doesn't want to pull. Looking like we're just gonna start basing out here. But I'm not gonna get impatient. Gonna wait. Patience will pay out for us if the setup is there. Let's go. Come on, pull back. So they're flagging here. Nice flag here. So it doesn't look like they want to pull, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna let the FOMO pull me into the trade. I'll be pissed because then I'll be like, damn, I could have got a way better entry on the pullback, right? So just if I miss it, I miss it. We've already missed, we've already missed this push here. I'm okay with that.
Connection
I'm
lost.
okay with that. Looking to buy in here. I think I actually lost connection for a second there.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go ahead and start an entry here. I look to average in if we pull back more. I'm up 12 points here. Typically, I get 12, 15, 20 points scalps, especially like within a few seconds of entry. I just take them. All right, I'm gonna hold a little bit. I really want to average into this, so I'm really kind of hoping that it pulls back a little bit more so I can get a bigger position, go my way, and I'll just be done with the account. Switch to another one, but would have been a nice scalp there.
Order filled.
Adding in. About 10 points here. See what happens. Remember, nice push. I got a nice push up. I'm taking profit. Not looking to hold this for too long. Just looking to get in, get out, get my money and get out. All right. Nice push so far. Nice push so far. If you're following me, woo! Great push, great push, great push. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Still in. I think we can get into the 370s, right? I'm looking for that 370 push. $370. Can we get it? $370. Can we get it? Come on. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay. Where we at? Okay. Hit my daily goal on that account. Switching to another account. Okay, let's go. We on the roll. We on a roll. Let's go. All right, so we're still flagging. I'm gonna go with another entry here on the other account, first account. I'll look to buy more dips. We're flagging here, so I think we can get a little bit more of a push out of this.
Order filled.
Playing a bit aggressive here, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Let's go. I am long. Not my best, not the best long I would like to be in. But I got a good bit of buffer on this account. So I'm gonna look to just kind of start a position here, average in on any pullbacks. All right. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I am long. Remember, I am long. So far, we are, what, 2 for 2, 3 for 3. Doesn't even matter, right? As long as we're bringing home the bacon. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give me another push. Give me another push. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Kind of getting caught up here at this 380-ish. This 380 wall here. Nice pop above 380. We should definitely get into the 400s. I'm not going to be holding for that long. I'm just looking for a nice push out, pop out. I'll look to take profit or even average in. But so far right now, we keep rejecting this wall here. So it's not what I want to see, but we're still flagging here. So we'll see. Still nice flag here. So I'm going to hold. Let's go. Come on. Remember, I am long right now, but I am willing to buy the dip even more. Right, we have a nice flag here. We're holding above that pivot level nicely that I mentioned. Right, all we need is a push out of this 380 wall that we seem to can't break right now. Right, we get a nice push out of this wall. Then I look to exit my long position, or at least reduce my size, okay? Come on, let's go. I'm up about 8 points. Woo, nice push, nice push. Let's go. Looks like 400's coming up here. I'm going to take profit before we even hit the 400s, okay? Just letting you know. Probably should have took profit there on that push, like I said, but I'm holding. Pulling back. Not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see.
Order
Gonna
filled.
buy some more. Gonna average in. Come on. Still holding above that pivot level is what I want to see. I mean, as long as we come down, hold above the pivot level, keep bouncing up, it's fine for me. All right, we started holding, cracking below, holding below. That's a problem for me. All right, but so far, I mean, we're still holding the flag. I'm seeing what I like to see. So I mean, it's could be a little scary if you're over leveraged, but I'm not. So all right, let's go one more time. Come on, I'm gonna take profit on this push this time. Right, learn my lesson. Trying to teach me a lesson here. I get 10, 15 points, 20 points. I'm booking it. All right, especially since I've already got a pretty nice size in from the jump. Chop, 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 chop. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Give us a push. Give us a push. Break even here, right? But I'm still holding. I want to see this push. I want to see it. Maybe it gives it to me. Maybe it doesn't. All right. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Give us a push. Still got the nice flag going on. So I did get 10 points on that, but I didn't take it. But that's only because we're still holding the flag formation nicely. I think we can get into the 15, 20 points for me. If we don't, hey, I'll have to take it on the chin. But I'm confident still in the setup. Come on. Wrong way. We're still holding above that pivot, like I said. That's what I want to see, man. Nothing. I haven't seen anything yet to change my mind on this setup. All right, it's not really going right now how I want it to, but that's okay. Nothing has to work out the way I want it to every single time, right? I mean, it's still doing overall what I like. I did get not the best entry, which is why it's kind of like but they're just testing this level here. If they don't want to drop below this pivot level, then they're likely going to go halfway or they're going to go to the next pivot level up, right? So until we start getting closes below, stuff like that, I'm okay. I'm okay with this position. I may average in one more time. That'll be it, though. Come on. Where the Bulls at? Y'all at, Bulls? Could be one of those failed flag setups as well. So I want to get too confident, but just trusting this setup here. See if I can get me one more average in. One more average in. Can I get it? Playing with me. They're playing with me. Don't do me like that. Come on, come on. Give us the win. Come on, give us the win. You've done us so good so far this morning. Come on. Let's keep the gravy train rolling. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Looks like we might get a close below this level here. Not really what I want to see, right? But flag formation still looking decent. I'm gonna look the average in one more time here if we can hold.
Order filled.
We're going to look to average in. This could be the setup to move lower here, so beware. Beware. Kind of breaking the flag as of now. Not liking it as much, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to still try it. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on. Let's go. Come on, keep pushing. Struggling. If they can't get back into the 350s, we're going lower. No, you better know this right now. I'm telling you. There's no way around it. We can't get back into the 350s on this push. Chances are we are going lower. At that rate, I will flip. It's not looking good. Come on. Come on. Push. Think you heard me? Push. Come on. Push. Keep going. I need one of those hammers to hammer this thing on up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Give it to us. Give us the win. Come on, let's go, let's go. Push it higher, let's go, come on. 350s. No bueno, no bueno. Might have to close this out and flip. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. I'm gonna close this out, take the
Order
loss.
filled.
I'm gonna flip.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gonna flip. I flip. Should have took profit when I was up. It's my bad. It's my own fault. Didn't follow my own rule. So have to work my way back. See what happens. I think we get a push back into 300. That's what I'm looking for. Push back lower into 300. I mean, we could just can definitely hold here and push back to the highs, but Bulls ain't really showing me that they are in control right here. They look like they're struggling. So maybe if we tap into the 300s, then maybe they can buy it back up or something. But I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. Or maybe if we can hold 330s, maybe then, right? But until then, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Brought that account back. I'm out. Okay. See what I mean? Woo! What a ride. What a ride. What a ride. Wouldn't go higher. So they're trying to take it lower. That's what they like to do, man. See, they like to play games. You know, they definitely should have, you know, in my opinion, they should have held that flag and just at least got the midway. I guess we did top midway there at 10-13. But I just, it's my fault. I should have took profit on that initial push. I mean, it gave me 10, 13 so points Time after time, still going too. Look at that. So it's my fault. All right, I'm gonna look to buy the dip for a scalp.
Order filled.
Just to kind of get the accounts. I think I'm down like $20, right? So I'm just gonna scalp longs real quick. There we go.
Order filled.
Just to get me back in the green there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Up about 1,400, little over 1,400. Let's see. See. Let's see. Excuse me. Let's see. Let's see. It's pushing here. Probably should have held that long, huh? Dang. That was 40-point pop right there. It's all good. 3 for 4, 3 for 4, 3 for 4. Really 4 for 5, but hey, I'm gonna take it. I will take it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't even complain. Can't complain. Can't complain. All right, just gotta make sure I keep myself in check. Make sure I follow my rules. I see you, Blaze. I see you. Yeah, so like this is prime example of like what I say, like when you get into the rhythm, right? And you just get so used to winning, right? Because we win a whole lot more than we lose, right? But you just gotta keep level headed and just stay humble, man. Because I get to where, because I can see the stuff happening, right? I got the algos, it's telling me what's going on in real time, right? And so I'm able to catch a lot of these moves. I'm trying to give them to y'all, right? But it gets complicated because you get so used to winning so much, so frequently, right? To the point where I don't want to say you get overconfident, because a lot of times the setup will go a whole lot further than what I'm taking, right? I just want a piece of the pie, right? And so when I see that happen a lot, when I see us winning a lot, when I see the moves going a whole lot, 50 points, 100 points more than what we're settling for, sometimes I get to where I just hold a lot longer and the move's over, for that moment, right? And so that's an example of where I see the flag, I see the algos, I see they keep buying the dip, I keep buying the dip, and it gave me looks time after time, right? It gave me 10, 15 point looks time after time. I didn't want to take it. And so you just gotta stay grounded, right? Don't hold on to those losers for too long. Cut your losses, regroup, get back in, take advantage of the move, right? I've been calling this whole thing out, play by play, telling y'all what's going on, what could possibly happen. All right, so don't get so caught up in the moment, because you see right now we're already back up to where I was initially trying to buy the dip at. You see what I'm saying? So just like that, in a blink of an eye, we're right back, right? So, but I didn't want to have to hold through all that drawdown. It didn't make any sense to, right? That's not real trading. There's no real strategy in that, right? So I'm glad you was able to flip along with me. Looks like you actually probably flipped before me. I think I held on a little too long. I saw that we kind of closed above that 15-minute orb level. So, there was always the chance that we could push back up. But I have other algos that were telling me that we were going to move down despite that level, right? And I trust those algos over the orb all day because, this is like my bread and butter. So that's why I got out of that long, because my other algos, newer algos I've been using for about a year, 2 years now, they were telling me that we're gonna shoot down, right? So it's all a part of just trusting your plan, trusting your system, your setup. Bigger picture though, I mean, we could still go higher here. We could still go higher here as long as we hold above the 300s. Then we could just chop around and they could just keep buying the dips and just push us higher, right? And maybe we get a double top at the 380s, or maybe we just break above. Because as of right now, we're actually making higher lows from that 940, 945, that time, right, where we made that dip and touched that level there. So it's kind of looking bullish here, honestly. I wouldn't be so sold on shorts just yet. Be careful. Be careful. I'm currently, let's see what I'm up today. Let's see. I got to be careful like when I show P&L and stuff, because they'll try to like ban the account. So currently I'm up 1600 for the day. Not a whole lot, but hey, I mean, it's honest work. It's honest work. It's a whole lot more than what I used to make right in the day. Used to make like 160, 170, 200 a day at my 9 to 5 after benefits, taxes, and all that shit, right? So shit, this is like 5, 6 times that, more than that, really. Like 7 times that, right? So hey, it's honest work. All right, let's see if we can nail one more, and I may call it a day. I possibly got some stuff going on. I'll be like watching the computers, of course, for the bot and whatnot. But as far as being glued to the screen, I may just, just kind of just get some stuff done. I got some other stuff I need to get done today, possibly. So we'll see. Markets can hold here, though. Markets can hold up here. I'll be looking to possibly take some long swings, 3 to 4 weeks out. It's a little bit early, though. I would actually like to wait after this week. I think if we can wait after this week to really see where market's going to go with all the news, I think that that'll be a better. We have more edge, but I don't want to miss. I feel like we're in a key zone right now where we're probably going to push higher. I'm leaning more bullish. I think we might push higher. And I'm kind of like where I don't want to lose these gains, right? Waiting a whole week, right? But it may be the best bet, though, honestly, to protect the counts, right? I don't know. All right. Let's see. Still holding up here, so I mean it's still looking bullish to me for now. We can start holding above the 350 area. That was that level I was saying we had to get back to. We can hold above 350. Got a good chance of pushing higher and busting through those highs. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see. You're joining me on the stream right now. We are currently, I believe, four for five on the day. Caught some really nice setups in the beginning. Every setup really was nice. I got caught up holding for too long. Paid the price, but was able to work my way out of it. Signal everything. Gave my entries on everything the entire time, the entire way. Been keeping y'all posted, keeping y'all updated, play by play, so that y'all can follow along if you like. Remember, this is educational, entertainment purposes only, right? Not telling y'all, hey, y'all need to be getting into these trades or anything. I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing, all right? I've been doing this for quite a while, over 6-7 years now, 5 years full time. So kind of think I kind of might know what I'm talking about just a little bit, right? So we'll see what happens here. Again, if we can hold above the 350 level, I think that we can get into the 360s, even 380s to break higher day. All right. Still got some Still want to see us hold, though. I want to see us hold these levels. We can't just pop at them. I want to see us hold above 350. We can hold above 350. I'll buy the dips. I'll go for the long again. I'll try it. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try some longs.
Order filled.
Nice push here. Nice push here. So I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! I love it. Caught about a 20-point move right there. Okay. Okay. Now we talking. Now we cooking. We cooking with hot grease. Okay. 16, 17. Up about 2,200 for the day. 2,200 for the day. Look, man, I dreamed of days like this, right? Never thought these days were possible. So, the fact that I can do this live with y'all on YouTube and also in the Discord day after day is my dream. I'm living my dream right now, y'all. So, hey, y'all do me a favor, man. If y'all are enjoying this live stream, hit that like button. Share the button to your friends and family. I would love to help make them some money as well. Get this engagement up so I can start posting this on TikTok maybe. Get more people in. If you're in the Discord, stay tuned. I'm just looking for the right setup. I haven't really seen my move yet. I'm basically just taking other algos that I have, taking trades off of them. Yes, they work well, but nothing's better than my move, right? To me, at least. Looks like we might go for the gap fill here on Qs, though. So we're going to go for the gap fill. So let's see. We can hold here. We can get a nice push up higher. Look, we're tapping into that. Looks like we're heading into this pivot level here. Tech flow is switching bearish, though. I'm not liking that. Not liking that for me to continue trying to buy these dips, right? So, you know, this could always switch back, but the fact that we're pushing, let me check under the hood real quick. Oh yeah, it's not looking good. Yeah, I don't know. It's some conflicting data here, right? Price action looks good for longs, but the flow's not looking good for longs at all. So that tells me that this could possibly be a bull trap. More than likely, it could be wrong now, but this tells me that this may be a bull trap. I'm not sure. VIX is popping lower, so that's not really recipe for a bull trap. So I don't know. When these two things are conflicting, I don't really like to trade. I like to just sit on my hands until they both align. Man, that was a huge move. And see, this is an example of when I say I'll be holding longer, because, you know, I'll catch like 20, 30 points or whatever, and then the move will go like 50, 60, 70, 100 points, right? And I'm like, oh shit, right? But, you know, you just got to be satisfied with what you got, what you get, and just move on to the next setup. That's all. I do think that we could keep pushing here if we get a nice pullback. See if we can get another pullback. Might take one more long. See if we can get another pullback, right? we may not pull back anymore. I don't like that. So it's looking like a nice bull flag here on the 1 minute. So I was looking for like the 380s. Man. Come on, pull back. Shit. So annoying. So annoying. Gives us these little baby pullbacks, and then it makes these huge moves. Come on. Come on. We haven't quite tapped that pivot level at the 420s yet. So that's what I'm looking to target. I'm hoping for a pullback into like the 380s, 390s. Give us like a 30-point pop into that level. But it looks like it's about to just go. Man. Me talking too much, man. See, I was talking instead of executing. It's a learning phase. It's a learning phase. I'm still getting used to the YouTube. All right, well, that was my target here for the day. I called out this level at the beginning of the session. Called out this first pivot level here at the 340s. I said if we can break and hold above that, then we'll likely get here at this level. We could keep going, like, for sure, but man, this is pretty much played out. Everything that I've been, saying would happen has happened. So from here, I would just be buying dips, honestly, until that's invalidated. But other than that, though, I think I'm just going to possibly call it a day here in a few minutes. Kind of bummed that I missed that, but can't complain. 2,200 for the day. I think I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a day. I might still try along if we can pull back to the 380s. I don't know if we're gonna get it, but I could definitely try it. It's basically a previous resistance from that previous bull flag. That's what I'm looking for. See if we can get some type of reaction out of that area. Quick pop up for 10, 15, 20 points. I'll take it, just to add on to what we already have for the day. Right? Overall momentum is still bullish, so wouldn't be a bad long. Even 370s, pull back to 370s would be good, right? Kind of looks like we're getting caught up here at this pivot level. So let's see if we can get a pullback, then maybe a retest, double top type deal, or even push above that level. Would be nice. What I'd be looking for. Hey, if you're enjoying the commentary, enjoying the trades, feel free to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. All right, let's see if we can get this. We can get this. What is it? 380. These are the levels I'm looking at. Take a first entry here. We pull back into here. I'll take another entry. All right. Giving you my entries ahead of time. Giving them to you ahead of time. Really struggling here at this pivot level. I'd be real surprised if we didn't get a pullback, honestly. But market's gonna do whatever it wants to do. We keep holding here. It's likely that we're just gonna push above the pivot level. So let's see. I can't long it here at this pivot level. Just can't. I can't do it. Just can't do it. We have to get a break above, close above, something. But I can't long it when we're right below it, because the odds of us pulling back are greater than us actually breaking through, in my opinion, and from my experience. But we'll see. Time will tell. I'm not saying it can't push, but the odds aren't great for it just to push right here. Not great. But the longer we consolidate here, the odds are a lot better that we'll just begin to base out right here and push higher. Okay, it looks like we're getting a pullback. What's VIX doing? This might be a good bounce level here at the 390s, but yeah, it's not my preferred level of choice. There we go. See, look, what I say. What I say, what I say, what I say. Huh? Called it. All right, I'm going to try a
Order
long.
filled.
Now I'm looking to see if we can turn this area here into support temporarily. Got to be nothing long term. Just enough to get a quick pop, 10, 15 points. Nasty pull so far though. I'm going to average in. Ooh. And see, this is where the tech flow comes in handy here, right? Because it's been telling us sellers were in control there. So
Order filled.
add it in. See if we can get a pop. Ooh, steep pull, steep pull. Steep pull. It's not what we want to see. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. That was a huge pullback, right? Huge. Especially for like one candle. How big of a pull is that? I was like a 60, 70 point pullback. Jeez. All right, let's see what happens. Let's go. Come on. All right, we don't want this area to turn into resistance. So we don't want to see. See if we can kind of bust back through. Looks like it may want to come down somewhere, actually. Jeez.
Order filled.
Averaging one more time. See what happens. Come on. And see, this is why I follow the tech flow engine, right? This is why y'all get to see firsthand. This is why I don't like to trade against it, right? So I use this thing daily, right? But entertainment purposes, hey, I'm pulling the trigger. Setup still look nice. I was gonna pull the trigger. We'll see how it works out. See what happens. But this is why I follow this tech flow engine here. So I don't like to trade against it for these reasons I've learned time and time again. Come on, let's go. Yeah, Bulls looking really weak. We got that instant whip back going on like we had at first, right? They're struggling. So it's not what we want to see. Not what we want to see at all. Usually when we pull back into usually when we get a big reaction like this and we get a pull back into this level, you get a quick pop back up. We're not getting that at all. So this is weak action. I think Bulls are ready to keel over, let Bears take over. Start breaking back below that pivot, then I'll just tap out. Yeah, this is not
Order filled.
stopping out. This is not the action that I want to see. See where that put me at. So I lost $1,000 there on that trade. Brought me back to like 1,200, 1,300. Not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see at all. So that's why. Yeah, that's why I follow the tech flow right there. That's prime example. That is exactly why. So I'm just gonna wait. I can easily make this back, but I'm gonna need to wait for my move to manifest to come into play. And from what I'm seeing, um, we got a little while. So it's a good chance we could dump back down. Looks like an M formation taking place here. We can hold below the 320s again. We may be able to get another dump back lower, but I'm not too keen on just jumping back in on anything. That was almost 100-point pullback. Crazy. Crazy swings in the market, man. Absolutely crazy. Now it wants to push higher. Of course. Of course. Just waiting right now. Just waiting right now. Waiting for another setup to take place. Just gonna be patient right now. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy pullback right there. Ooh, Bitcoin is dumping it. Yeah, if we hold down here at these levels, man, watch out below on Bitcoin. be trading some crypto futures, so I'll be looking to catch some of that move. All right, come on, let's see. This. I'm gonna try long.
Order filled.
about 15 points, 16, 20 points here. It's a nice rebound. Great rebound here, great rebound here.
Order filled.
Made back a lot of that. Take profit here. Great job, great job. Great recovery, great recovery. Great recovery there, great recovery. Okay. Still just kind of just chopping. Don't like this price action. Actually, I think I might flip short. Looks like we're struggling here to stay at these highs to break above.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a short.
Order filled.
Just not what I wanted to do right there. Not what I wanted to do. Not what I wanted to do. All right, I think the best thing for me to do is to just be patient and wait for my move to happen, because getting some misleading indications, right? I got Flow saying we're We're bearish, and bulls are struggling now. They're struggling, but yet we're still, looks like they're buying the dips and we're pushing higher. So I don't want to keep getting on the wrong side, potentially giving back all my gains. I'm up 1,100 on the day. Was up about 23, gave a lot back. See, now they want to pull it back. So I'm just gonna wait. It's just too much chop for me right now. Up in this area here, this 360, 400 area. I still want to short this thing, but I don't know. I feel like I'm too early. Potential head and shoulders possibly forming here. Boring price action now. Very, very boring. I think they're just going to keep grinding this thing up until we get a gap fill. That's what it's looking like. They're just going to keep pulling it down, pushing it up, pulling it down, pushing it up until it just continues to make higher lows. So breakout's definitely not going to work. So we're just going to pull it down, push it back up until you get this one huge candle that'll gap fill. That's what it's looking like. See what the VIX is doing. Still selling. Might just have to scalp out of this, guys, until we get a clean move. Because it's not really giving. It's giving deep pull downs. You just can't really have a great stop loss with this kind of price action, you know? Almost like you got to hold on for dear life. And then it goes, and that's not really trading. Slow grind up. Stairway up. Elevator down. Pretty sure we're just going to keep pushing up. Go for this gap fill. So what it looks like they're setting up. Second I get in, they'll try to pull it down. Not saying it's me, just saying that's what it's been on long side. It's like they'll flush it, get all the bulls out, and then they'll just push it higher. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I think I'm just gonna call it. Call it a day for now. Just kind of hop off. It's lunch time. Don't expect a whole lot to go on right now, right? And maybe I'll try to go back at it after this. I think I'm gonna take my W. I'm up like 1100. Let's see. gonna call it a day. I don't want to give back anymore. Now it wants to pop, right? So this is that. It's probably gonna be that gap fill candle here. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I don't wanna chase this. But don't be surprised if it does. If we close here above this pivot level, if we close above here, don't be surprised if we just continue higher and fill that gap on Qs. Right? But I'm not gonna try my hand at this. I'm gonna come back later. So catch y'all tomorrow for live stream.